All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Jimo. A lot of people have been asking me questions about our new setup about community trading. It's just a segment of our, Plan B special business combo segment. And so what are community trading? A very quick one, I'll take you around. We have gotten some fantastic stuff like partnership with platforms that are going to help you put you ahead of others. It's going to give you tools in your hands that will make you to be ahead of others. Now, very quickly, there are two major things you need to observe. We have partnership with a platform referred to Admirals. So Admirals is a broker. It's a brokerage firm that both into the stock market and then the currency market, even CFDs of the call it for me, yeah, trading CFDs and all of that of commodity market and all of that. So if you have been struggling in the financial market, we got your back. So number one is that you're going to need this broker, which is called Admirals. And so if you check on the comment section of this video, and you're going to see Admirals link there, so you get signed up, right? So that's number one. So you can see that it will give some recommend, just like of educational information. Coincidentally, this was a type of stock I've mentioned to the subscribers of my private mentorship. So in Plan B Express, this is just a segment to help people to make money, so people can help themselves to build wealth. So number one, you need to have an account here. I don't have an account here, it's free, and so you register, verify your account, but you need to fund it. So we have a forum called, we call it Plan B, community trading. So that's called Plan B Layer C community trading. And now if you look at what we're doing there, what we've been doing there, we have the forex segment, we have the crypto segment, which is crypto futures and trading calls, and then we have the stock. Now, let me go and check. Somebody was typing. Okay. This is a place where we give trading call structure setup of different, currencies and, for the forex market. So we set up to meet at least twice a week, money trading section, like, look at it where we set up AUD card, gold. Then this is a setup we start with that we're looking for buy opportunity of all of those things. AUD card, gold, AUD, JPY, USD card, and then Euro USD, and you can see how it plays out. And we have done fantastic on them, very, very fantastic on them. I must confess, we have done fantastic on them. So what exactly do? We set up structure, just like now that this is selling opportunity has been happening, waiting for the buying opportunity again from 1912 to stuff like that. So this is what we do. So predominantly what you need is very simple. You need Admiral account. So you're going to register on Admiral. And we said for you to be part of this community trading, you should fund your account for now, minimum of $100. If not, if you want to be reasonable, you can fund your account with at least $500. Now, this is not an investment. Please take note. It's not an investment. This is where you handle it by yourself. The only thing is that you are leveraging an opportunity. I'm sorry for the background noise for this. You may be hearing under the background noise and all of that. So, but this is just expedient. I need to do this video, and that's why you see me doing this video. So this talk is actually crazily. I mentioned it today. Okay, so now, then number two, there's a good news you have. The good news is that we have another partners. We partner with 10Trade. 10Trade is a platform, is a pro firm platform. So we registered, and then you can fund your account. So minimum of $100, and you get funded with $3,000. So if fund has been your challenge, so that means minimum of $100 in your Admirals, and the minimum of $100 in 10Trade. That's $200. The third thing you are going to need, I will go there. So if you register, you check my link below, or whoever that sent you this video, ask them, have they registered? Then let them give you their links. and then you register. So once you are registered, you are meant to verify your account. After verifying your account, you fund your account with minimum of $100, and then you have to come back down to where you have funded trader, that is funded trader. Then you click on apply. Haven't paid, at least you have paid the money, you have funded your account. So in my own case, it just shows you that this account is on mini. So I quickly will show you now. So look at the options. This is evaluation. I don't need to go for evaluation because you are going to be there for 1 month doing demo before you get main account. So I go for instant, and that's why we're doing community trading. So minimum is $100. And so when you fund with $100, which is, look at it, $100 minimum is what to fund. And then you can be allocated, right? You can be allocated, how much? Can be allocated $3,000. Can be allocated $3,000. So $3,000 allocated to you. Fantastic. Then you can be trading. So, but we trade conservatively here so that we don't go against the rule, because say the daily drawdown you should have is 6%. So you should not have anything higher than, not have up to 6% daily drawdown. Then all overall maximum drawdown should be 9%. That is, you are trading on $3,000, don't have negative floating that's going to take that asset up to 9% or 6% in a day. So in other way, we take trade that are very, very, short on those accounts. And then best bet, so this is the best value, silver, right? Which is like, this is more popular. What people normally do is this. So that means you put $2,700 and you are funded with about $90,000. So you're trading. So, so what you do up to 10%, they can scale you to the next level. Now, maximum drawdown is 5%, and then daily drawdown is 3%, right? Okay, minimum trading days 5, so 0. Yada. Okay. Then lot size is 1.2, so 3 in that way. So this is what over time our community will have to go for more. But for now, you can do for either for 3,000 or 10,000, which comes to $100 or $300. But we don't trade to blow the account. I mean, not to get those drawdowns so that you can continue to trade. So you click, and when you click on apply, that's where you come here, and then you select for bronze. That's the account type. And then you click. But when you are registering, please understand, when you are registering, account type you are picking is account type you are picking. For instance, let's say I say open live account. Account type you are picking is not bonus, but standard. Okay, take note. What you are picking is not bonus account, but standard account. So while you are registering, so that is for 10 trades. So you can see now, fund or money to trade is no longer your problem. So all you need is connection, and then pay attention to basic learning, and so that we can work together. So this is Admira. So when you register, make sure you verify your account, but ensure that you're on the portal of Admira's admiramarket.sc, and then you verify your account. Having verified your account, you can open a live account for trading. Okay. So then the third thing you are going to need, because we're going to be doing community trading, is what we call the live signal. So let me quickly open it and show you the live signal. It's so amazing. It's crazy. It's so amazing. I must tell you, this live signal is so amazing. It's going to help you to take advantage and leverage on the market more. Look at it, for instance. I'm going to show you now. I hope the screen is showing. Yeah, fine. Look at it. This is what's this called? Okay, this is NZD. That is EUD SND. This guy has been struggling for a while. I'm suspecting we're going to have a downtime again. Yeah, because look at it. The guy has been struggling at a very strong resistance. So we may have a downtime again, but eventually this trade is going to stay true, right? So look at GB, right? This is GU. Now look at the signal indicator give you to enter, even though when it was wanting down and it still told you that you are good to go. If you cross this place, there's going to be parabola. Look at the Euro USD that's still pumping. right? See, since when you bought in, and then you can imagine how much PIP you have done. From this must have given you over 120 to 130 pips from your entry, depending on where you enter from. But give and take, even if it's the last time you enter, because this is the news of this non-farm payroll that just came up, and then you could see the pumping. This pump has not stopped, it's still going to continue, but you have, you can see opportunity of buying in, and then we're making this. So this is indicator. And for now, it costs you just little money. If you are interested in this indicator, all you do is to chat, is to send a message to, I'm interested, to an email, topfelix2030@gmail.com. Send an email, I'm interested. Okay? Send an email to I'm interested, topfelix20. So you can see. So then look at AUD card. So can you say AUD card? So imagine if you have been in on these markets, what will have happened to you and what will have been enjoying. So this indicator is a crazy indicator that's going to help you. So the community trading we are doing is amazing. So I said, interested in the indicator, all you do is to send I'm interested to email. Let me just quickly check if I can just type it here. Okay. Okay, so you can type, send the email to topfelix2030@gmail.com. Okay. So send the email to topfelix@gmail.com. So I'm interested in the real-time indicator. I'm interested in real-time indicator, send it, and a reply will be given to you. Just there are some persons now who probably have sent a mail and then they have been replied and what is required of you. But once you send, I'm interested, a reply is going to be given to you. You know how much to pay for the indicator. It's not bogus. I know you'll be shaking your mind now. So, but I can tell you it's very affordable and it's just once in a lifetime. It's not a monthly repayment. And so you are good to go. So this is what we're doing. So community trading, you can see AUD card. We have told our people about AUD card before now. People were afraid, oh, what's happening? AUD card was not moving. So we told them, relax. AUD card was going to move. Okay. And so you can see that when we said buy opportunity, that's buying target, AUD card. AUD card was the first option. So we have been doing that. You saw one person's comment today, although that was over trading. Yeah, this fellow said, good morning, everyone. Mine has, I said, what's the feedback? So good morning, everyone. Mine has not been bad so far. I started my Admiral's market journey with $102, and now I've made profit of $78 in 3 days. So you do it by yourself. We just give you direction and then what you expect. Okay, look at this morning. I was saying, good morning, great people. The AUD card is also recovering gradually. What I have only done was to add position to both the AUD card and SZD. There are many buying opportunity, but I'm also careful with USDPS because it has not totally rested. So finally, understand that you may not need to exit AUD card too fast. Like it may extend to next week, and some resistance are expected from 8800. So look at the USD card now. Look at it. It's 88, so 8809. So there's some resistance there, so but the market will still keep pushing. And then you could see what Euro USD that we gave last week, beginning of when we started it. Euro USD, as you can see, powerfully moving, but going to be truncated gradually up here and down. The only market we have had that a very bad day, that up to now the market is struggling, is this guy, right? You can see the resistance is hitting. So, but I'm optimistic, was able to cross here, then we can have a good day And that's one of the lovely things about it. And so outside that, we have been doing very, very well. Even we traded gold last week, this week, beginning of this community trading, and that's been amazing because we gave people precisely what to check, what to expect, and all of that. So don't be left behind. This is amazing. So this is Plan B community trading. We call it layer C. So there's going to be layer B, there's going to be layer A. So layer A, of course, will be more pro and people with more funded account, and then other things may be required for you to be back. But this is free. You just fund your account, make sure your Admiral account is activated, and then your 10 trade is activated. And at least you are going to be trading on COINW for future traders on crypto and all of that. So I don't know what's going to be your challenge here. So, but for me, I think this is super, super amazing. So money again shouldn't be your challenge. How to get started. So if you look at it now, maybe maximum amount of money you need to get started fully, maybe $300 and something or $400 and something, because maybe you want to form $100 in your Admiral minimum, $100 in your 10 trade minimum, and then $100 in your COINW minimum. Then the real-time indicator 25. Yeah, how much? I'll think about $50, or we may take it down to $50 because we're still wanting people to take advantage of it. But over time, the indicator is actually $500. So, but we're subsidizing it for a lot of people to see how they can leverage and build up their equity and build up, especially some people who lost money through us on platforms that we have introduced them to on EGFFS. So that's what we're just doing to build up our capacity. So this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not all this bring one, take two, or advance percentage every day. No, we don't do that. So we diversify, we get involved ourselves. This is another crypto project that we bought into. And now imagine people who just were swinging have been able to do about 23% just within how many days? July 28th and now. And meanwhile, we are doing farming of this coin. Yeah, so it may interest you to know. Let me look at it to just show you an example. So we're doing a lot of things. So let me use example here. Okay, so look at AutoSwap. I just want to show you some kind of stuff there. This is AutoSwap, for instance. We'll be teaching people how to build up their portfolio by personally involving. So I just want to show you an example why we build up portfolio and help people to build up their portfolio. Look at this is an example of an account that was activated. Was it just a few months ago? Okay. And so look at the farming. And so just like a backup of the farming. This was $50 invested some time ago, not up to a year. And it's already, the capital base now is 109. And then the accrual now is $92. So 109 plus $92. Yeah, that's about almost $200. And that was investment of how much? $50. So that's what we tell people to leverage on and then build up their portfolio by themselves. All right, so I don't want this video to be too long. So you get this video from your friend, ask him for their own link, or you are watching me live on YouTube or Facebook. You can go to comment section and take those links there. I'm going to send a link for Admirals, 10 Trade, COINW, another related one. So you want to sign up, get your account activated, and chat with me on my number +234 80369245 and 88. You want to get connected to get started with us, chat with me on my phone number +234 80369245 and 88. Let's trade together and then remove yourself from unnecessary Ponzi scheme. Ladies and gentlemen, my name again is Midas Jimo, as a team leader of Plan B Express. Plan B Express, together we rise. Bye-bye.